Hello fam, we are back with another video today. We are continuing with the series of decorating for Christmas of 2025. So guys, I will show you the things that I've already done in this room. Again, as usual, I've already prepped the area. Everything is wiped down. I've swept. And I will sweep again after, because once you put a garland, you put stuff like flocks and stuff falls on the floor, glitter and stuff. So but everything for the most part has been wiped down and clean. So I will start with what I've already done in the dining room. I have these little birch trees here. I've already added them to the corner instead of leaving them in the base. I don't really like the way the base looks on the floor. I mean, I know I could put a throw on it, but I was like, you know what, I have these 3 ginger jars, so I decided to do something different. So I added the birch trees inside the ginger jar, and then I did some ribbons. I make all my ribbons myself. Trust me, I watch a lot of YouTube videos and I've mastered how to do ribbons. So I do all of my ribbons on my own. So I did these ribbons and I just kind of like, put them right on top, to hide the paper. And I did put some snow right on top just to cover the paper a little bit, the brown paper that I put there. And then back here, I have my cute little nutcracker. I just kind of like have him hiding behind of the tree, like behind the birch tree, just to bring the pop of red. And my color this year, I don't think I've mentioned in my previous video, which you guys will see, of course, I'm doing red, black, and gold. And I'm going with the whole nutcracker theme for this year. So everything going forward from my entryway, my dining room, my 4 living room is all nutcracker theme. Last year I did all like reindeers and stuff. So this year I really wanted to go with like the nutcracker Mackenzie Child type of look. So I think I have achieved that and I'm really in love with it. And I think it's something that I'm going to be doing for years to come with a little bit of twist to it, of course. And of course, as I've always mentioned to you guys, I do have like very tall ceiling and I have like ledge and stuff like that in around the house. So on top here, I've already added like a garland. So guys, all of my garlands and everything, they all light up. But for this video, you guys won't see them lit because I have not bought any batteries yet. I get my batteries on Black Friday at Home Depot when they go on sale because I need a lot of batteries. So during the home tour, you guys will see everything lit up, and maybe I'll have some shorts on YouTube prior to the home tour, and then you guys will see those items lit up. But for now, when we do the decorate with me, they are not gonna be lit yet. So I've added again this beautiful garland, and I have like this gold trim, like this really nice gold garland wrapped around it, and again it lights up. I'm not sure if I want to add something up there. I'm not sure yet. I'm thinking about it. I may end up removing those decorative piece, and I may end up adding some Christmas decor. Not sure yet, guys, because I have a lot of Christmas decor and I have to use them, but I'm not sure. And if I do change them, you guys will see them in the final home tour. So we're gonna be styling the dining table today, this little corner here, and then I have this beautiful bowl that I purchased from Hobby Lobby. Let's see. I love this bowl. I have it in red and I have it in black. So I was like, you know what? I'll just add it in between the window just to add, I don't know, just to be festive and be different. So instead of having it on top of the wall art, which I was thinking about, I'm like, I like it better here just to add the pop of black in between the curtains. So guys, I hope you enjoy this decorate with me. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. There is a new feature on YouTube called Hype. So please hype up the video so I can get more points. Again, thank you to all my subscribers. I've hit my 1,000 followers. Now I'm trying to get to 5,000, guys. And I know I can do it. So please continue to support your girl. Continue to share, like the video with your family and your friends. Let's get decorating, guys. Guys, I absolutely love the final result of my dining table. I am so in love with this whole Nutcracker Mackenzie Child dupe. And everything on my table is a collection of things that I picked up on clearance last season and things that I picked up this year. Also, at the end, in the final reveal, you will see where I add extra light to the garland and it's gonna twinkle a little bit more, so I did end up adding some lights. Guys, I picked up this beautiful topiary last year at Lowe's. I paid like $15 for it. Oh my god, I picked up so many nice things last year. I think it was a week before Christmas or either a week after. I purchased a lot of things for outdoor at Lowe's for like very cheap. And this year again, I'm gonna be on the lookout for those items because I do need a few more items for the outside of my house. Later on in the final reveal, guys, you would see at the bottom where I ended up adding a beautiful canister that I later picked up at Ross. It's again like that whole Mackenzie Child dupe with the checkered and you will see that in the final reveal. Also, those beautiful martini glass, Nutcracker martini glasses, I picked them up from Ross as well this year. This beautiful arrangement, I made it myself. I just put a few picks together and I attached them with a zip tie. And there you go, you have it. And in this beautiful reindeer head, I'm going to be adding my candle and turning it into a candle holder. Although it's not meant for that, but I'm going to be using it for that. That's what I say, guys, all the time. You know, items can be meant for something else. And with decorating, you could do whatever you want and you can use it for something else. Guys, we are done with the decorating part and I really hope you enjoyed this decorate with me. And I present to you my dining room for Christmas 2025. guys, thanks for watching. We have come to the end of the Decorate With Me. I really do hope you enjoy my formal dining for Christmas 2025 and you get inspired today. Guys, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Please show your girl your support by liking the video, give me a thumbs up, leaving me a comment, sharing it with a family or friend. Enjoy your holiday with your family and have a blessed one. Until next time.